Good morning. So surgery today. I'm having a hip replacement, a full hip replacement, robot assisted surgery. My operation was postponed by 2 days. There was an emergency case that they had to slot in before me. But anyway, today's the day for surgery. So I thought I'd keep this video log as a record for me, and perhaps it could be of help to someone else. I'm going to update it daily, so to record as much of the information as possible and just show you the road to recovery. So I've been having to use a body wash gel for 5 days. It's actually 7 days now, and a nasal gel to help combat, or just as a precaution against MRSA bug. And I'll have to take 2 preoperative drinks before I go in about an hour. This pre-op drink, it's a nutritional drink, and I think it makes you feel relaxed. So I think the idea is to have a spinal anaesthetic, and from what I understand I could be conscious for some or most of the operation, but we'll see. I don't know if I feel too keen about that. So anyway, we'll keep you posted, and I will see you later. Bye for now. I'm back from outer space.
4 times over the next 4 hours.
Hello folks, I'm back from surgery. It was about an hour and a half. I lost about 100 millilitres of blood, which is nothing. Felt a bit queasy to begin with the when they were doing the spinal. I felt a bit faint. They had to lay me down. I always do that. They've really looked after me. I mean, amazing here at the Nightingale. Really good. Thanks, Marta.
Thank you.
So I can feel my left leg, but not my right leg. Hello there.
I see feet wiggling.
Yeah, one of them anyway.
That's the most wiggle that anyone's come back with so far today.
Well, I'm a good wiggler. Wife's always saying that anyway. So I did sort of wake up in the surgery when they were hammering and banging. It was fine. Can't see anything. There's like a blue screen in front of you, so you just see the odd nurse coming and going, and the beeping of the machines, and it's all right. I'm really hungry now, so I've gone to get me some grub. I'm going to feed my guts. Anyway, so I've got sensation in my left leg. I can move that. I can feel my left bum cheek, but on my right side, no, I can't feel anything. So I'll probably be in for the night, I think. Right, see you in a bit.